Okay, hey guys, so right here I actually sewed on my closure. I didn't glue it down. It just stays a lot longer if you sew that down instead of gluing it. back to my channel. So this is kind of like the final look of the hair. I didn't lay any baby hairs or anything because I kind of like this. I want to do something a little bit different. So this is what we're looking like. I got it all tamed and everything, and I think this looks really good. I fit all the bundles fit in my head. I'm just gonna read the specs off. They're on my phone. I have the Brazilian loose deep. The company is Tinashe. Okay, so here's the company, Tinashe Hair Company. I have the inches 20, 22, 24, 24, and a 20 closure. Okay, so like I said, this is the loose deep, and this is what it looks like. All right, now I like this closure a lot. A couple things. The closure didn't come like super thick. Okay, so take that for what you want. It could be a pro, and there could also be a con. Okay, I'm not saying that it was like thin, like super thin or bald or anything. It just didn't come super thick. It was kind of like a pro to me because it's easier. They're easier to lay down and a little bit easier to work with when they don't have like so much hair on them or whatever. So yeah, that was one thing about the hair. The hair is super soft. Just like really soft, and it's super curly. I would not rate this hair as being like high maintenance, but you are gonna have to like put some sort of like spray or serum or something in it. It's getting a little frizzy, so what I did was I had this spray bottle with some water and some conditioner in it, and I just sprayed that to kind of define my curls a little bit more, so it wouldn't be so kind of like frizzy. All right, but so far I am really liking this. Let me get up close so y'all kind of see what I did. I did like a nice side part. It wasn't like a lot of like pieces that were sticking up from the closure or anything, so I definitely liked it. This hair is really full. Let me pull it all to the front. Okay, so this is all the hair pulled to the front. Okay, I'm gonna stand up a bit. My longest length is a 24-inch. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like at the end. It's full from root to tip, which is a really good thing. Okay, so you can definitely get away with 3 bundles with this hair. This hair is super full, so you can definitely get away with 3 bundles. I do have all the 4 bundles in, and it's like big. Okay, but it's not heavy. It's really not heavy. It's just big and full. I love my hair to be full, so if you like your hair to be full, I would suggest 4 bundles as I did. And I did, as you all seen in the other clips, I did make this with, this is like a glue unit. I just used some regular glue along with my Got To Be spray. Okay, I did not bleach my knots. I used the leg spray as I always do, and I came up with this great look. I hope this video helped. It was very quick, very easy, and hopefully very informative to you. I thought that it was pretty informative. Let me know what y'all think about this style. Let me know what y'all think about this company. Have you ever tried this company before? You know, just leave it down in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back with y'all. And yeah, let me give y'all like, show y'all the hair like all the way around. Okay, so this is what it looks like. All right. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.